Nothing ruins the look of a nice ride like dull, oxidized aluminum. It makes the whole car look neglected. I was tired of guessing which polish actually works, so I went out and bought the top 5 most popular aluminum polishes on the market. I've tested them on wheels, trim, and exhaust tips to see which one brings back that mirror shine without killing my arm. Product number 1, Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish 10 Oz. Let's start with a classic that almost everyone knows, the 10-ounce jar of Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. When I opened the jar, it had that familiar thick paste-like consistency. It's not watery, which makes it easy to scoop out with a cloth without making a mess. I tested this on some older aluminum wheels that had seen better days. It definitely takes a bit of elbow grease. You have to work it in until it turns black, but the results are solid. It's gentle enough that I didn't worry about damaging the surface, making it a great pick for regular maintenance. It wipes off clean and leaves a really nice clarity. If you have uncoated metals that just need a good refresh, and you don't mind putting in a little physical effort, this big jar is going to last you a long time. Product number 2, Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Then I grabbed the Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. This one felt different right out of the bottle. It's a liquid formula, which I found a bit easier to spread around than a paste. I tried this on a really oxidized exhaust tip, and what surprised me was how fast it cut through the grime. It stripped away the rust stains and tarnish quicker than I expected. But the real selling point for me is that it leaves behind a protective sealant. So you aren't just cleaning, you're stopping the metal from getting dull again next week. I even took this inside and tried it on some kitchen hardware, and it worked just as well there. If you want something that cleans deep and adds a layer of protection to keep that shine longer, this is the bottle to grab. Product number 3, Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish 5 Oz. Now this might look familiar, it's the Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish again, but this is the smaller 5-ounce jar. You might wonder why I'm including it, but honestly the size matters depending on your project. When I held this little jar, I realized it's perfect if you just bought a motorcycle or have a single set of rims to do and don't want a huge tub taking up shelf space. The performance is exactly identical to the bigger brother. Creamy paste, turns black as you rub and leaves that brilliant shine. I used this specifically on some stainless steel trim and it brought back the reflection beautifully. It's the exact same formula, just in a more manageable package. If you're new to polishing or just have a small job to do, save a few bucks and start with this smaller size. Product number 4, Renegade Products USA Pro Red. Stepping things up, I tested the Renegade Products USA Pro Red Liquid Metal Polish. This stuff feels serious. It's labeled as a heavy cut polish, and trust me, it lives up to that name. I used this on an aluminum tank that was severely oxidized. It looked almost white and chalky. The Pro Red cut through that layer incredibly fast. It's definitely stronger than the others I've tried today. You can use it by hand, but I found it really shines, literally, when you pair it with a machine polisher. It took out light scratches that the milder polishes left behind. It's designed for things like semi-trucks and big rigs, so you know it's potent. If you have metal that is in really rough shape and you need a heavy hitter to restore that mirror finish, this is the professional grade stuff you need. Product number 5, Meguiar's G211606 Metal Polish. Finally, I checked out Meguiar's Metal Polish. This one comes in a 6-ounce container and claims to be safe for all uncoated metals. I like that it's formulated to remove fine swirls, not just heavy oxidation. I paired this one with a drill attachment on my wheel polisher tool, and that's where it really excelled. It made the job so much quicker than rubbing by hand. It cleared up the cloudiness on a polished aluminum wheel instantly. It doesn't feel as aggressive as the Renegade, but it leaves a very clean, crisp reflection without scratching the surface. It's also great for getting rid of those annoying water spots. If you own a polishing ball or cone for your drill and want a quick, hassle-free way to get a show car shine on your weekend driver, this Meguiar's formula is a fantastic choice. So whether you need a heavy cut for an old truck or a gentle polish for your new rims, one of these will get the job done. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.